Guizhou and Guangxi provinces. Landslides, bridges, flash floods, and mass evacuations are now a grim reality for tens of thousands of families. According to official data released at 7 a.m., at least 6 people have died, and more than 8,000 residents have been urgently evacuated. And the numbers are still climbing because the rain hasn't stopped, and water levels continue to rise dangerously. In Rongjiang County, Guizhou, the Lu River has transformed into a furious current, and it's peaked early this morning. The water flow reached 11.800 cubic meters per second, nearly 80 times higher than average. Entire villages were submerged within minutes. Homes, vehicles, and roads were swept away, as frightened residents clung to rooftops waiting for rescue helicopters. A particularly harrowing incident occurred on the Shirong Expressway, where the Kazihe Bridge collapsed due to landslide erosion beneath its foundation. A cargo truck plunged into the chasm, with its cabin left dangling midair. The driver, miraculously rescued after nearly 40 minutes, is being hailed as the face of survival amid devastation. In neighboring Guangxi province, water from Guizhou is surging downstream. In Meilin, risen over 4 meters, leaving entire neighborhoods submerged. Continuous rainfall over the past 72 hours has turned lowland areas into swamps. Authorities have issued the highest level red alert, mobilizing helicopters, boats, and emergency teams to evacuate families. One story that captured national attention is that of an 8-year-old girl from Rongta who was swept into an underground sewer on June 23rd. Miraculously, she survived more than 7 hours inside the drainage system before being rescued alive. Her survival is being hailed as a miracle in a sea of tragedy. This morning, terrifying scenes unfolded at a shopping mall in Huzhou. Rainwater cascaded down escalators, turning them into waterfalls. Dozens of cars were swept into flooded parking basements, as residents filmed the chaos from upper levels. These images have gone viral across Chinese social media, signaling the terrifying reality of urban flooding. But it's not just rain. Landslides and dam collapses now pose a greater threat. Water saturated mountainsides in Guangdong have developed cracks in the hills of Fuji's wall. Several small reservoir dams in Danzhou are now at risk of failure if heavy rain persists. Making matters worse, a new tropical depression is forming in the South China Sea. Rain up, and Guangxi in the next few days. More rain, more flooding, more chaos. This is happening right now, June 27th, 2025. China is not just battling floodwaters, it is battling time, weather, and the limits of infrastructure. Every video, every image from Guizhou and Guangzhou is a window into survival, into despair, courage, and the human spirit. People clinging to rooftops, children wrapped in plastic sheets, emergency teams navigating dark, flooded alleys. All of it is real. All of it is now. Let us stand in solidarity with those fighting for their lives in the heart of China's storm.
6 महीने से यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स डालकर भी फेमस नहीं हुए और सब्सक्राइबर्स भी नहीं, तो आप कुछ ना कुछ गलत कर रहे हो।